Namaste. In this video, we'll be covering the meaning from the verse 11 to 18. So in the previous class, we got to know that Yudhishthira asked a few questions to Bhishma Pitamaha. So the questions were, who is that God that I need to worship, that we need to worship, that one God who is greater than every God? Then which is the dharma which is greater, and which is that dharma that we need to follow? So for these questions of Yudhishthira, Bhishma will now answer. Bhishma Pitamaha is saying in the 11th stanza, Jagat Prabhum Devadevam Anantam Purushottamam Stuvannama Sahasrena Purushaha Satatotitaha. So what is the meaning of this one? Jagat Prabhum. Jagat is a universe. Prabhu is a Lord. So Sri Yudhishthira, he is the Lord for the entire universe. He is a Devadeva, God for all the gods. Deva is a God. Anantam, he is a endless, he is a limitless. Purushottama, he is the best. Uttama is the best. He is the Uttama Purusha. Stuvannama Sahasrena. Today I am going to tell the Sahasrena, means 1000 names of this Purusha who is never gonna change, who is always the permanent, who is always a constant. This is the meaning for the 11th stanza. Then in the 12th he'll say, Tameva charchaya nityam bhaktya purushamavyayam dhyayan stuvannamasyancha yajamanastamevacha. So here he'll say that, so dhyana means the worshipping or the praying. So by praying this Purusha with the bhakti means the devotion, with the utmost devotion, daily, every day, without a fail, then you will get all kind of a wishes. You will be free from the sorrows. You will be free from that reality of the life. So these things will happen only when you pray, when you worship this Purusha with the devotion every day. So this is the Purusha who is never gonna change. He is the one who will take out your sorrows. So today I'm going to tell you the 1000 names of this Purusha. Then in the 13th he'll say, Anadiridhanam Vishnum Sarva Loka Maheshwaram Lokadhyaksham Stuvan Nityam Sarva Dukkhati Go Bhavet. So Vishnu means he's pervading, he's everywhere. So here he'll say Anadi Nidhanam. Adi is a beginning. So he is the one who doesn't have any kind of a beginning, and he's endless. So already he told he is a limitless, right? So Ananta is a limitless. So here he is telling he is the one who doesn't have any kind of a beginning. He doesn't have any kind of a end. Sarvaloka Maheshwaram. So here the previous he told Jagat Prabhu, the Lord for the entire universe. So now he is telling he is the Supreme Lord for all the words, Sarvaloka. We have 3 words as it is mentioned in the Gayatri Mantra. Bhur Bhuva Swaha. So he is the one who is the Supreme Lord for all the words, Sarvaloka. Maheshwara means the Adipati, the Lord basically. It doesn't mean that Shiva here. Lokadhyaksham Stuvan Nityam. Adhyaksha means the president. So here he is the one who presides the entire universe. Lokadhyaksha. Stuvan Nityam. Again he is mentioning, again and again Bhishma is mentioning, when we chant, when we worship this Purusha daily, Nitya, every day. So when we chant about this Purusha every day, he is the one, Sarva Dukkha, all the kind of miseries. Dukkha is a sadness or the misery, Sarva is the all. So he is the one who removes all the kind of a sadness and sorrow and the misery from us. When we chant, when we worship him daily, every day. So this is the 13th one. Then in the 14th he'll say, Brahmanyam Sarva Dharmajnam Lokanam Kirtivaddanam Lokanatham Mahadbhutam Sarva Bhuta Bhavodbhavam. So he'll say Brahmanyam. Here Brahma means the creator. So not the Lord Brahma. So Brahma, the general meaning of the Brahma here says the creation. So he is the one who is a creator. So there is a 5 actions for the Brahman. So we'll also look into our future classes what is Brahman. What are the 5 actions of a Brahman? Why it is very important? Why Vishnu is referred as a Brahman? Why Lalita Devi is referred as a Brahman in Lalita Sahasranaama? All these things we will understand slowly. So as of now, remember, he is a creator. He has a few functions for this universe to take care of. So he is the creator. He is the one, Sarva Dharmajnam. He knows everything about the Dharma. Because Yudhishthira's question was, to which Dharma? So Bhishma is telling, he is the one who knows every Dharma because he is the creator. Lokanam Kirtivardhanam. Kirti is a famous. So he is the one who have seen all the kind of a success. He has seen all the kind of a famous. Lokanatham. Natha means again the leader. Lokadhyaksha, Lokanatha. Remember these words, which is it has the same meaning, but every word is a very unique word. Lokanatham. He is the protector, he is the leader for the entire world. Mahadbhuta, so he is very great one. He is a very great, and is ultimate in all the living beings, in all the living organisms in this entire universe. That is the meaning for the 14th stanza. In the 15th, he'll tell, एष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः यद्भक्त्याः पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरच्चैर्नरः सदा. So here he'll say Vishnu has one name here. So Bhishma says Vishnu as a Pundarikaksha. So what is Pundarikaksha? This word is very important. Remember this. Akshi. Akshi means the eyes. So Pundarika means the lotus. So he is the one who has the lotus kind of eyes. Okay. So we have also named the Kamalaksha. Kamala also means the lotus. So Pundarika is also lotus. Kamalanayana. So all these kind of a different unique words which has the same meaning but a different words. So he is the one, Pundarikaksha, lotus-eyed person. He is a lotus-eyed person. So when you chant about him, Stavai when you chant about him, when you worship him with utmost devotion, so this man, this Purusha, the one who knows Sarva Dharma, the one who knows all the Dharma, so he is a Dharmodika, he is above all the Dharma, he is the master of the universe. About him, I am going to give you the 1,000 names of this person which will talk about the glory of this Purusha. We also have this name Purusha which repeats here. In the future classes, in the further classes, I am going to tell you the extra information about this name Purusha. In the 16th stanza, Bhishma will say, Paramamyo mahattejaha paramamyo mahattapaha paramamyo mahadbrahma paramamyaha parayanam. Paramam. So here remember, param means param. It's not a para, it's a param. Para means ultimate. Param means great. So greatest. He is the greatest light. Remember the radiance that I told you yesterday? So he's like a sun. Sun has limitless radiance. So that brightness. So he's that kind of a greatest bright. He is the greatest light for us. Mahattapa. He is the one who is the greatest tapa. Tapa means the penance. So he is the greatest penance. Paramamyo Mahad Brahma is the greatest Brahman. He is the greatest Brahman. I already told you, I will give you the information in the further more classes about the Brahman. As of now, remember, Brahman is the one who takes care of the 5 functions of the universe. He is the greatest Brahman. Paramamya Parayanam. Parayanam means here to take a shelter on. By chanting the stuti, the shloka about Vishnu, I'll take a shelter. So he is the greatest shelter. So this is the what Bhishma will tell in the 16th stanza. So in the 17th he'll say, Pavitranam pavitramyo mangalanam cha mangalam, Daivatam devatanam cha bhutanam yo abhyayah pita. So here, Pavitra means a pure. Paramam is the greatest. Pavitra means a pure. He is the very purest one. Purusha, Bhagavan is the very purest one and is most auspicious one. Mangala is auspicious to auspicious one. Daivatam Devatanam cha. As already told you, Deva Devam, the same meaning here. Daiva Deva has the same meaning, that is a god. He is a god for all the gods and all the creatures in this entire universe. Bhutanam yo abhyaya pita. So Bhuta means the creature. So he is the father. Pita means the father. He is the father for all the creatures, for all the things in the entire universe who is permanent. So this is what he'll tell in the 17th stanza. In the 18th stanza, the last one for the day. Yatah sarvani bhutani bhavantyadi yugagame yasmin cha pralayam yanti punareva yugakshaye. So here he'll tell that bhutani. So I already told you the bhuta word refers to the living beings or the creatures in the universe. So of all the living beings, all the living creatures in the world, who is the creator? Brahma. So he is the creator. He is the one who created everything. And he is also one who created Bhavantyadi. Adi is the beginning. He is the one who created the beginning of this universe and the end of the universe also. He is the one who is going to decide. Yasmin cha pralayam yanti. Pralayam is a dissolution, one of the act of a Brahma. He is the one who will make the entire universe to disappear. So dissolution means to disappear. He is the one who is a creator, who has created the beginning, Adi. Pralaya, the one who is going to make this entire universe to disappear. He is the one. He is the most important one in this world who carry the weight of this universe. So that is the meaning of the 18th stanza. So this is what the Bhishma Pitamaha will tell to Yudhishthira before telling the 1,000 names of Sahasranaama about Vishnu. He'll tell all these things. So there are few more verses the Bhishma will tell to Yudhishthira, which we will cover in the next class. So till 18 we have covered in the third class, so I have given you the meaning for the till 18. If you have any doubt, please do let me know. I tried to simplify the meaning as much as possible without making it too complicated, because every stanza has a much more deeper meaning and in-depth meaning. So as of now, we'll look into the very basic, the foundation level of a meaning. So I'm making the meanings much more simplest form, as simple as possible, so that it will be easy for you to understand that one. So please practice till here. So if you have any doubt, please make sure that you WhatsApp and you clarify your doubts. See you in the next class. Thank you so much. Namaste.